Okay, let's start with the question number 5 here. So here we have given a toy will charge Q moves on the frictionless horizontal plane surface under the influence of uniform electrical field, that is E. So here we have given that a toy car is with charge Q will moves on a frictional horizontal plane in the effluent of under uniform electric field, that is we have given E. So due to force that is QE, its velocity increased from 0 to 6 ms in 1 second duration. At that instant, the direction of the field is reversed. The car continues to move from 2 more seconds under the influence of this field. So the average velocity and the average speed of the toy between 0 to 3 seconds are respectively, that is 1 ms and 3 ms, 1 ms, 3.5 ms, 2 ms, 4 ms, 1.5 ms to 3 ms. Okay, let's first understand the question here. So the question is, we have a toy car, let's suppose that is t, and it initially is at point A. So firstly there t equal to 0 and v the velocity that we have is 0. So if the car moves with the electrical field that is E, and it will be its velocity will increase. Here we can say the velocity will be increased. We have given 0 to, that is first we have velocity 0, and after moving it increases by 6 ms, and the t is equal to 1. It's given that. So we have also given that at the instant the direction of field reverse. So here this is the direction of field here. Firstly this is the direction of field that is here. So next we have part, if the direction field get reversed, the car continues to move 2 more seconds, that is 2 more seconds at t equal to 2 we will say, and will under the influence of the field that is a here. So the average and the average speed, the average velocity and average speed, that is t equal to 3 and v is equal to -6 between the seconds. Firstly we have here v equal to 0, and that will become the v equal to -6 because it get reversed here from here. So here we have acceleration that is a, which is equal to 6 minus 1 divided by 1, which is going to equal to 6 millisecond. So for t equal to 0, that is the first part, and 2t equal to first, like from this part to this, the s1 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplying 6, 1 square equal to, that is 3 meters. Let's take it as the first equation. And from t equal to 1, that is t equal to 1 to t equal to 2, will be s2 equal to 6.1 minus 1 by 2 multiplying a 6 1 square, which is also equal to 3 meters. We'll take it as a second equation. So if from, and now we will find for the third point, that is from t equal to 2 to t equal to 3, we will get s3 equal to 0 minus 1 by 2 multiplying by 6 1 square, which is equal to minus 3m. Let's take it as a 3. So the total displacement is the addition of the s1 s2 s3, which is equal to 3, and the average velocity will be 3 by 3, which is equal to 1 ms, and the total distance travel is 9 meters. As you can see, the total distance that its travel is equal to 9 here. So the average speed will be distance travel divided by the velocity, that is 9 by 3, which is equal to 3 ms. So the right answer here, that is option 1, with 1 ms of velocity, average velocity, and the average speed will be 3 ms.